we go. Grandpa
What's Mommy doing?
is Pop filming or burping Henry
Trying to.
after a good meal. After a good meal? Yeah? Hi, Henry. Hi, Smiley guy. Oh, yeah, you are very happy when you've had a good meal, huh? Yeah. Hi there. How's it feel burping your grandson, Dad?
Oh, just like it felt when I was burping my daughter.
Uh-huh.
Sweet. Just
Hi.
delicious.
Hi, Henry. Are you looking right at the camera? Are you like the camera? And then we have Mom and Hope over here. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Hope. Are you looking at the camera too? Yeah.
My beautiful granddaughter.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm back where I belong.
Oopsie.
There we go.
Good burp, Hope.
Yeah, nothing came up
Good
too.
burp.
Nothing came up either.